Natural methods to grow your penis in a month. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel guys. We're going to talk about the important question among men. How to naturally grow your penis size. Well honestly, there is no scientifically proven way to increase the size of the penis. Penis size varies from person to person, and most people are more attracted to their partners for qualities other than penis size. But the good news is, you can do exercises to increase penis size at home. Exercising your penis can help you attain this organically. Using lubricants to gently massage your penis is one easy at-home cure. These penile exercises will help you get a bigger penis and gain sexual dominance over your spouse, if you're wondering how to increase penis size. According to the website Trooms, there are some exercises you can do to enlarge your penis size naturally. Here are the top 5 exercises to help you increase your penis size and improve your sexual performance. 1. Massaging. This exercise is all about massage. You should be aware of how to massage penis. The ideal time to perform this exercise is during sexual intercourse. Before engaging in sexual activity, you must perform a type of massage exercise where you softly rub your penis with your hands. Penis size and thickness can be increased with this workout. How should you proceed? Using one hand, hold the penis and rub it softly. If you're having an erection, let free. 2. Jelqing. The most popular exercise to increase penis size for men is this one. Men are supposed to gently slide their hands from top to bottom on their penises while performing this activity. The penis thickens as a result of this process. For the fastest outcomes, doctors advise performing this exercise at least thrice a day. 3. Rotating stretch. A rotating stretch is an additional stretching practice that can help expand your penis. Holding your penis firmly, pull it outward. Holding onto the grip, move it in round motions. It can be turned both clockwise and counterclockwise. 4. Stretching exercise. One of the best activities for enlarging the penis is stretching. The men are to glide the skin from the top to the bottom of the penis using their thumb and index finger. The recommended amount of time to perform this workout each day is 20 minutes. The key is to avoid ejaculating while performing the activity. You should cease the exercise right away and give your penis a chance to relax if you get an erection during it. This should take around 5 minutes. Penis stretching exercises, techniques and safety tips. The goal of penis stretching exercises is to manually stretch the penis to increase its length and circumference. These workouts entail gently pressing on the penis in different directions, while it is normally flaccid. Penis stretching exercises seem to be beneficial for some guys. But as with anything new, proceed with caution and see a medical specialist before beginning any new program. Stretching too much or using the wrong form can cause pain or damage, so it's important to go carefully and pay attention to your body. 5. Pelvic floor exercises. With your feet flat on the ground and your knees bent, lie on your back. Tighten your pelvic floor muscles, as though you're attempting to halt your urination. Release after 5 seconds of holding. Perform this exercise 10 to 15 times a day, 3 times a day. These are natural methods to increase the size of penis. Naturally growing one's penis requires a variety of dietary and lifestyle adjustments. The following are some methods how to increase penis size naturally. Number 1. Healthy diet. A diet high in fruits, veggies, grains, lean meats, and healthy fats can maintain overall health, which includes blood circulation, crucial for the health and function of the penis. Number 2. Frequent exercise. Walking, running, or swimming are examples of cardiovascular workouts that can enhance blood flow to the penis and support cardiovascular health in general. These benefits may lead to improved erectile performance. Number 3. Weight management. Reducing extra fat around the pubic area can help make the penis appear larger. A nutritious diet and regular exercise can maintain an average weight. Number 4. Sufficient sleep. Obtaining the necessary restorative sleep each night is essential for hormone control and general health, both of which can affect libido and sexual function. Number 5. Stress management. Prolonged stress can impair one's sexual function and health. Engaging in stress reduction practices like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or counseling can enhance general well-being and sexual performance. Number 6. Avoid smoking and heavy alcohol consumption. Both of these behaviors might worsen blood flow and increase the risk of erectile dysfunction. Over time, improving sexual health and function may be facilitated by giving up smoking and consuming alcohol in moderation. So these are the method to naturally grow your penis size. Go ahead and try these at home. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope this acknowledge you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And also comment down below about the questions you want to ask. Thank you so much for watching.